Congratulations on setting up your team in Weekly Debrief. Having completed the setup process, your team are now ready to start using the Weekly Debrief technique. Simple. So, what's the screen that you're looking at right now all about? Well, having completed the setup process, you've been logged into the Weekly Debrief admin area. This is where you can change your system settings, add more staff, view reports, and more. The icons and tabs above this video are how you navigate between the different sections of the Weekly Debrief admin system. Looking at the different screens, we have the home screen here right now. That's what we're looking at in this video. This is an introduction screen for the admin area. It's also where you can go to find a link to watch this very video again. You can see the link just there at the bottom. I'll just highlight that for you with an arrow. So if you click this icon down here, this button here, you'll actually start this very video playing again, so you can recap on what the system's all about. And you can always get back to this home screen either by clicking the home link at the bottom of the page here, or by clicking the home icon in the top left-hand corner of the screen. There's the home icon. So both of those will bring you back to this home screen if you want to read the information on it or watch this video again. In the menu at the top of the screen, we have the Account tab, which is where you can adjust your account information. We also have a Staff tab where you can set up additional members of your team and add email addresses from which these staff can send in their summaries. You can also add staff photographs to personalize the reports. We have the Messages tab, which is where you can customize the mails that are sent by the Weekly Debrief system. The Schedule tab lets you customize the system schedule when the summary requests, reminders, and reports are all sent out. The Status tab, where you can review the submissions that have been sent in by your team and to get an overview of your team's performance. The Team Talk tab, which is for communicating with the whole team or individuals within the team. And finally, you also then have the Search and Preferences icons here, which if I just click the Search icon first, you can see you can perform searches of your Weekly Debrief data, and the Preferences icon allows you to change some of the system preferences, such as the report covers and so on. And finally, on the right-hand side there, you have the icon for logging out of the Weekly Debrief admin system. Note also that all of the screens have a help icon, as you can see here. On clicking the help icon, you'll call up some contextual help that explains the screen in question, just to make sure that you never get confused with the settings on any particular screen. And finally, the Weekly Debrief system is pretty self-explanatory, but if you need assistance at any point, just scroll down to the bottom of the screen you're on and click the support link in the menu there. Clicking that link brings up a form here that you can use to quickly get in touch with our support team and get some assistance. So, what happens next? Any staff that you added during the setup wizard will have been mailed an invitation to start using the Weekly Debrief technique, and importantly, they'll have been asked to watch the 3-minute induction video which explains exactly what the Weekly Debrief technique is, how it works, and what the benefits are to them as team members. So your next step is to make sure that your team have received those mails and have watched the video. Then you're good to go. We wish you every success with this exciting new technique. We're certain that if you and your team commit to the process fully, you're going to see huge productivity gains from your team, and you're going to be better informed about your team's progress than ever before. You're now going to be redirected in a couple of seconds to the home screen, which is where you'll go next time that you log into the admin area.